Welcome to another PortSwigger Web Security Academy Solutions video. This is the third video in this API testing series that I've done so far. This is the exploiting a mass assignment vulnerability. In the previous solutions video, I was able to buy the lightweight elite leather jacket by manipulating the price of the jacket via an exposed API endpoint. In this lab, we'll be tackling the mass assignment vulnerability, and what that is a vulnerability where you can manipulate an object in the API that shouldn't be manipulated. So you'll see in a few moments here where I manipulate a certain object in the API that will enable me to purchase this jacket, but in a different method than how we saw in the previous lab. Alright, so to solve this one, you'll need to know what mass assignment is, and of course they provide explanations in the information before this lab, why mass assignment may result in hidden parameters, how to identify hidden parameters, and how to exploit mass assignment vulnerabilities. Let's get to it. I'm currently in the We Like to Shop application, and of course I have Burp Suite running in the background. I've already set the target scope here to save some time, and I want to proceed with logging into my account. And actually, let me turn on the burp proxy before I forget. Alright, and sign in. Alright, so we're currently logged in. Next, go back home. Scroll down and click view details on the leather jacket. Alright, so we got a stylish looking jacket, a description, and the quantity. So we'll just add that one jacket to the cart. Jacket added. Next, let's go to the cart. Alright, so the leather jacket is in our cart and it costs $1,337. And of course, if you click place order, it'll result in an insufficient funds error. Alright, so how can we buy this leather jacket? Last time we manipulated the price point of the jacket and reduced it to $0 to match our $0 store credit so that we were able to proceed in placing the order. But of course, this is a mass assignment vulnerability, so it'll be a different way to manipulate the API endpoint. So let's go back to Burp Suite and see what we can find. Right, so I'm in Logger, and I just want to scroll through and look for any APIs here. Okay, there's an API checkout. Here we can see there is a chosen discount parameter, percentage with a value of 0. So that's interesting, and we see the product here, ID, quantity, and the item price. So I want to send this over to repeater. Click get. Alright, and here what I want to do now is to grab all of this information, copy, alright, and I want to copy the content type there, and I want to change this and give myself a 100% discount. So now I'll change this to patch Alright, so I do get a HTTP 405 method not allowed error. And in this response, you can see that the only allowed methods are get and post. So I'll change this to post. Alright, HTTP 201 created. The HTTP 200 messages are usually a good sign. So let's go back here. So in manipulating that percentage object, it knocked down the price of the jacket, and we were able to solve the lab that way. In future, I will be releasing more content, especially as I go through these PortSwigger Web Security Academy labs. I'll also be uploading videos in regards to different tools, topics that I'm interested in. I'm also doing bug bounty. I'll be dropping some stuff on that real soon. And I'll also be taking the Pentest Plus exam in a few months here, and I want to release a video in regards to any tips, tricks, and my experience taking the exam. So be on the lookout. If you love all the cybersecurity content, go ahead and like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.